Hello and welcome to the Order of Hekate YouTube channel. I'm Frater Shin Aleph Mem, your host and facilitator for this journey of discovery. On this channel, you will find many videos and discussions concerning witchcraft, magic, and healing that can assist you with your practices. There will be playlists for many different topics so you can jump into a subject and get a step-by-step instruction designed to give you a visual reference to use. The topics range from Hekate and witchcraft, Rosicrucian and Templar magic, Renaissance magic, Hermetic and Vedic yoga, Hermetic Kabbalah, Taoist internal alchemy, Reiki, Western and Eastern alchemy, Rosicrucian sidereal astrology, and Western and Eastern massage and bodywork techniques, with more coming all the time. All of these topics will have Hermeticism as its underlying theme, tying everything together. Through Hermeticism, you'll be able to speak the language of mysticism and magic to come to greater levels of wisdom and understanding. We will also be an audiobook source, reading many of the classic tomes of magic and mysticism and reviewing newer titles as they are published. As a disclaimer, I want to say that any and everything I say is not representative of any governing body, whether it be witch, Rosicrucian, Templar, Masonic, massage, Reiki, or otherwise. My opinions are mine and mine alone. And it is significant to say that these techniques are not meant to diagnose or treat any conditions and make no claims to do so. There are many beginner and advanced techniques that can help you grow and advance as a witch, magician, or healer and are very powerful. Treat the techniques and forces with respect that is due to them. These techniques are not meant for you to develop profane behavior or antisocial actions that are harmful to the self and your evolution. Negative behavior or criminality are advised against and are not supported. Use these philosophies and skills at your own risk, but there is no risk unless you put yourself there, keep in mind. The Order of Hekate bids you welcome. Have fun and study with us. Stay a while. Thank you for your time. It will be well spent.